Are you tired of dealing with stubborn, straight lashes that refuse to hold a curl? Look no further! In today's video, we're diving into the world of eyelash curlers equipped with combs. These innovative tools not only help curl your lashes, but also separate and define them for a flawless look. Say goodbye to clumpy mascara and hello to beautifully curled lashes with our top picks. Stick around till the end for our expert recommendations. Number 1 position, we have Tomim Eyelash Curler with Comb. The Tomim Eyelash Curler with Comb is a game changer in the realm of lash tools. Designed with precision, it features a sturdy curling mechanism coupled with a comb to separate and elongate your lashes effortlessly. Key features. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while the comb effectively prevents clumping for a natural look. Crafted from high-quality materials, it promises durability and longevity. Benefits and usage. This curler not only curls, but also lifts and defines each lash, giving you a wide-eyed, dramatic look. Simply place it at the base of your lashes and gently squeeze for a few seconds. Usability. Suitable for all eye shapes and sizes, this curler is beginner-friendly and delivers professional results at home. Durability. Built to last, the Tomim Eyelash Curler with Comb withstands daily use without losing its effectiveness, making it a staple in your beauty arsenal. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Dr. Petty Eyelash Curlers with Comb. Dr. Petty Eyelash Curlers with Comb is engineered to elevate your lash game. Its innovative design incorporates a gentle curler with a comb, ensuring precise curling and separation. Key features. With its sleek and compact design, it's travel-friendly and fits perfectly in your makeup bag. The comb attachment detangles and separates each lash for a clump-free finish. Benefits and usage. Experience lifted and curled lashes that open up your eyes instantly. Use it before applying mascara for maximum impact or on its own for a natural look. Usability. Easy to use. This curler caters to both beginners and professionals alike, delivering salon-quality results at home. Durability. Crafted from premium materials, Dr. Petty Eyelash Curlers with Comb is built to withstand frequent use, ensuring long-term performance and reliability. The number 3 position is held by Uranian Beauty Eyelash Curler Comb. Elevate your lash game with Uranian Beauty Eyelash Curler Comb. This innovative tool combines a traditional curler with a comb for precise and flawless results. Key features. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, while the comb attachment separates each lash for a defined look. Crafted from durable materials, it promises longevity and reliability. Benefits and usage. Achieve curled and voluminous lashes effortlessly with this versatile tool. Whether you prefer a natural or dramatic look, this curler delivers every time. Usability. Suitable for all skill levels, the Uranian Beauty Eyelash Curler Comb is easy to use and fits comfortably in your hand, allowing for precise application. Durability. Built to last, this curler withstands daily use without compromising its effectiveness, making it a must-have in your beauty routine. Next at number 4, we have Parahair Eyelash Curler with Comb. Say goodbye to straight lashes with the Parahair Eyelash Curler with Comb. Designed to deliver salon-quality results at home, this innovative tool is a game changer in your beauty routine. Key features. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while the comb attachment separates and defines each lash for a flawless finish. Crafted from premium materials, it promises durability and reliability. Benefits and usage. Transform your lashes with a natural-looking curl that opens up your eyes instantly. Simply place the curler at the base of your lashes and gently squeeze for a few seconds. Usability. Suitable for all eye shapes and sizes, this curler is beginner-friendly and delivers professional results with ease. Durability. Built to withstand daily use, the Parahair Eyelash Curler with Comb remains effective and efficient, making it a staple in your makeup collection. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by McPang Eyelash Curler with comb. Elevate your lash game with the McPang Eyelash Curler with comb. Designed for precision and performance, this innovative tool is a must-have in your beauty arsenal. Hash key features. Its sleek and compact design fits comfortably in your hand, while the comb attachment separates and defines each lash for a flawless finish. Crafted from high-quality materials, it promises durability and longevity. Hash benefits and usage. Achieve curled and voluminous lashes effortlessly with this versatile tool. Whether you're going for a natural or dramatic look, this curler delivers stunning results every time. Hash usability. Easy to use, the McPang Eyelash Curler with comb is suitable for all skill levels, from beginners to professionals, and ensures salon-quality results at home. Hash durability. Built to last, this curler withstands frequent use without losing its effectiveness, making it an essential addition to your beauty routine. And there you have it, folks! Our top picks for the best eyelash curlers with combs. Whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, these innovative tools are sure to take your lash game to the next level. Say goodbye to straight, stubborn lashes and hello to voluminous, curled perfection. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to get your hands on these must-have beauty tools. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.